welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be fun. I did a little shopping and I wanted to share with you what I bought because you may be interested in them, because most of it you could buy for spring decor. I'm not quite ready to decorate with bunnies and stuff like that, but I'm ready to bring out some pretty color, and honestly I'm just really inspired to get my kitchen, living room, dining room areas kind of wrapped up so that I can start decorating them for spring. And so today's video I will show you what I bought and then how I styled it, so stay tuned. All right, first up I bought this little set of towels, mostly for this towel because I loved the pink color, and then it came with this really fun bunny towel, and I have layered the pink towel in the hobnail bowls that are on my open shell. I love the way that looks, and I love the texture that it gives just by adding a little splash of color up there. And then the other bunny towel, I tied in a knot because I love the way tea towels look draped over things, but sometimes they're just too much fabric. And so I tied them in a knot, and then I just laid it across some really cute plates. Speaking of plates, I bought these darling scalloped plates from Target. They have a pink, I got all of them but the yellow one. The yellow one just was a little bit too bright, but I loved that all of these colors were muted. They look so pretty together, and I loved them just stacked up. But the sweet detail of the scallop, I feel like makes them just so cute and unique and perfect for spring. Along with the plates, I also picked up some bowls, and you can see the sweet detail of the floral on there. They are more of a cream color, which I am loving mixing cream with white. I just think it's so pretty. It adds warmth and coziness, and these bowls are just so sweet and perfect in this little space. Next up is this Studio McGhee sign. I loved the wood frame. I loved the color of the print itself. It's more of a linen texture with muted blue words, and I think it's really cute for spring. The sun will come up. I'm just waiting for the day. It has been so cold here and so gloomy, and I think that's a sweet little saying for spring. Next up is this candle, and it smells good. It's lemon, zest, and sage, but isn't the packaging just very, very cute? And I think that it's, like I said, it smells fresh, a good scent for spring. Curious, what are your favorite springtime scents? Leave them in the comments, because I never burn candles in the springtime, only in the winter and the fall. But I loved the packaging on this. I think it's so pretty. Last up are these bells. The texture on the bells are so fun. I loved using bells this winter, or I guess more Christmas time. I think that they're just so pretty, and I love hanging them from these hooks. I think it looks really pretty, and they are loud, so be aware of that. But they do come in other colors. I just really liked this tan color because it was color, but it was still a neutral. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I thought it would be just a fun way to share what I bought, but not just showing it. I wanted to show you how I styled it. Anyway, like I said before, everything's linked in the description box if you want to check it out. And are you guys ready for spring? Ready for spring decor? Let me know. Like I said, I will be in a few more weeks. I just want to get my table done. There's a few little things that I'm working on. You will see another video coming up with me wearing the same sweater because Erin and I did a DIY project earlier today that we filmed, and I cannot wait to share with you. It is so pretty. I can't even stop staring at it. So lots of exciting things going on over here, and I'm so grateful that you guys stick around and support me, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.